So you want to know how to beat the casino? Spoiler alert, you can't, taken as a group. That is why they have decadent fountains wasting precious water in the middle of the desert. The gamblers paid for that, and everything else. Can an individual win on an individual occasion? Sure, but the formula is in favor of the house. Let's take the simplest case. A roulette wheel has 36 slots for the ball to fall into. They're numbered from 1 to 36, and each slot is marked red or black. Red and black are not necessarily odd or even. 13 is black, but so is 2, 6, and other even numbers. You can bet on a single number or combinations, such as red or black, odd or even, a variety of other combinations. Each type of bet pays a different amount. With 36 numbers, you might think that you would win $36 for each dollar bet. Wrong! You get $35, but it gets worse. Besides the 36 numbers, there are 2 additional slots marked 0 and 00, and they're green. They are neither red nor black. Bet red and black, you still lose. The house edge for this is now 5.26%, meaning they reduce your expected value by what I will call a probability tax of 5.26%. In a Las Vegas casino, if you covered every number with a $10 chip and you bet, say, 50 times, which is the average number of plays per hour, you would have bet a total of $18,000 and lost $946, even though you covered every single number. This is all basic probability and forms the foundation for this statistics course. Statistics, of course, is more useful than proving that the odds are stacked in favor of the casino. And don't get me started on a state-run lottery. Without overstatement, I can say, statistics tells us what we believe about the world around us, what drugs will cure our ills, and which ones are deemed poison. It designs our buildings to withstand tornadoes and predicts the weather to warn us against harm. Statistics is the gatekeeper of the scientific method, allowing theories to pass through that will become our beliefs of how to understand our world, and barring others, which will be relegated to the world of fraud and superstition. Statistics tells us just what is normal in all the areas of our life. Statistics is the foundation of policy that governs the atmosphere, where to drill for oil, and the effects the oil will have on the atmosphere. This class will not provide answers to these questions, but it will provide a framework and foundation to get these answers. And it will be fun. Maybe not as much fun as beating the casino, but certainly more fun than losing. Welcome to the University of Oklahoma Janux Elementary Business Statistics. I am Alexander Holmes, Regent's Professor of Economics, and I am proud to be your guide.